Hi, this is Katelyn Liu, and I'll be walking you through this week's 6th grade worksheet. So the first worksheet you should have gotten is ask us to solve for the variable and to check our answers while showing our work. So first question goes, 3x is equal to 12. So what we want to do is isolate the x, and the x is being multiplied by the 3, so we want to do the inverse operation, which is division. And so we want to divide both sides by 3. And you see, if we do that, this cancels out, the 3 and the 3 cancel out to be 1. And now we have x is equal to 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. And now we check our answers by substituting it back into the original equation. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 12 is equal to 12. Let's look at number 6 over here. We have a over 14 is equal to 2. Now a is being divided by 14. We want to do the inverse operation, so we want to multiply it by 14. And now when you multiply it by 14, the 14's cancel out. You have to do the same to this side, and when you do that, you get a is equal to 28. And if you check that, that will be correct. So the next worksheet we have asks us to solve for the following inequalities and to graph our answer on a number line. So a plus 6 is greater than 19, and we want to isolate a, so we want to inverse operation minus 6 on both sides, and we get a is greater than 13. So on our number line, maybe we want to do, and we have 13 here, and a is greater than 13, like so. Now we have, or let's do this one. A over 5 is greater than 13. A is being divided by 5, so we want to multiply it by 5, and now multiply this by 5, and now a is greater than 65. So you want to mark 65 somewhere on the line, maybe add a few numbers over here as well. Bottom line is a is greater than 65. Okay. Next worksheet we have is write an inequality for the word sentence. So the value of x is greater than or equal to 9. Greater than or equal to 9. The weight w is at least 4,000. So it could be equal to 4,000 or greater than. So greater than or equal to 4,000. The height h minus 15 is 22 or less. So less than or equal to 22. And you can do the rest for the last two. And the last, we're given, use the formula a equals b times c to complete the following problems and show your work. So a equals b times c. Now I know a here is equal to b times c. And so we want to divide both sides by 55 and solve for c. And the next one we have a is equal to b times c, and you want to divide by both sides to isolate and find b. And this one you have a is equal to b times c. And this one you can easily solve as 360. And do the same for the rest of them, and you'll be done for today.